He heard the coughing tiger in the night push at his door. Close by his quiet head, about the wattled cabin, the soft tread of heavy feet he followed, and the slight sigh of the long banana leaves. In sight at last, and leaning westward overhead, the centaur and the cross now heralded the sun, far off but marching, bringing light. What time the centaur and the cross were spent, night and the beast retired into the hill. Whereat, serene and undevoured, he lay, and dozed and stretched, and listened, and lay still, breathing into his body with content, the temperate dawn before the tropic day.
Hi everyone, thanks for watching Graveyard Poetry. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And join us next week for another classic poem. See you then.